Hello students, we are going to learn about the practical in practical 3 and experiment number 13, study of biofertilizers. The biofertilizers, they are the microorganisms and their products, and they can increase the fertility of the soil. Biofertilizers, they are the large number of the microorganisms, and these biofertilizers, these are the living biofertilizers. There are different types of the living biofertilizers they can be used, that is blue green algal biofertilizer, then rhizobium biofertilizer, trichoderma biofertilizers, then several other microorganisms like the mycorrhiza, azospirillum, azotobacter, rhizobium, and blue green algae, etc. These are the several biofertilizers they can be used. The nostoc, this is the nostoc ball. It is a nostoc ball. When we touch it, it is a slimy, it is blue green in color, and it can be found in the areas where there is a moist conditions, and generally the nostoc, it is found in the rice field also. The nostoc, it is a important biofertilizer, and it is the member of the cyanophyta. It has the nostoc ball, and it is a blue green algal biofertilizer. When we seen under the microscope, the when the small piece of this nostoc ball can be taken, and when we prepare this slide, we can observe such filaments they can be observed, and these filaments, it is called as the trichome. This is the single filament. It can shows the heterocyst. The heterocyst they can be present, and the heterocyst which is present at the end, it is called as terminal heterocyst. Heterocyst which is present in the middle of the trichome, it is called as intercalary heterocyst. Then all these trichome, it is covered by a mucilaginous sheath, and there are rounded cells. They are arranged in the bedded manners. दी जशी मण्याची माळ असते त्या प्रमाणात ह्या ज्या व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेल्स आहेत त्या एकमेकाला अशा चिकटलेल्या असतात, अँड दीज आर दी राउंडेड स्पेरिकल सेल्स. दे आर दी व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेल्स, अँड they can also synthesize the food also, and in between them there is the heterocyst is present, and the function of heterocyst, there is the one polar nodule is present at the center. There is a outgrowth, there is a ingrowth is also present to this heterocyst, and this ingrowth this is the ingrowth, it is the site for nitrogen fixation. It is called as the polar nodule, and with the help of this polar nodule, this nostoc, they can fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and this is the site of nitrogen fixation. The blue green algal members, they can grow in the moist places, generally in the paddy field also. They are also shows the spherical balls, they can be also present, and the heterocyst which is present, it can produces the enzyme, that is nitrogenase enzyme can be produced, and which can reduce the atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. Nostoc balls, they are also larger in size with great biomass. They have high capacity for the nitrogen fixation than the bacteria. Nostoc biofertilizer is used in the cultivation of the rice field also, and such type of, they are generally called as cyanobacteria, and they are cultivated in shallow tanks and or in the flooded field. After maximum growth, they are collected, dried, and stored in polythene bags. They are used as biofertilizer and applied at the time of cultivation. In rice field, when the water is flooded, राईस फील्डमध्ये पूर्ण असं पाणी भरलेलं असतं. अँड देअर आर मेनी सच नॉस्टॉक बॉल्स दे आर फाउंड इन द राईस फील्ड. दीज आर दे नॉस्टॉक बॉल्स दे आर प्रेझेंट इन द राईस फील्ड. हे नॉस्टॉक बॉल आहेत, हे राईस फील्डमध्ये जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये असतात. आणि हे these nostoc they can also used as a biofertilizer, and they can actively multiplied, and they can fix that is about the 20 to 80 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare per year. And therefore this biofertilizer it can be used in large proportion also. Then another biofertilizer, so this is the another biofertilizer, that is the rhizobium type of biofertilizer, and these are the rhizobia. This is the root of the leguminous plants, and on that root there are there are many nodules are present. This is the root nodules, and these root nodules and the rhizobium bacteria, and this is the roots of the leguminous plants. On the roots of the leguminous plants, these rhizobia they can form the knot, it is called as the nodules. And not only the rhizobium type of bacteria or the leguminous plants alone cannot be fix the atmospheric nitrogen. For this purpose they can grow symbiotically. They can live in symbiotic association, both of each other, both are beneficial to each other. The leguminous plants they can give shelter to these bacteria, and in return these bacteria they can absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and fix, and togetherly they can form the nodules, and with the help of these nodules these bacteria they can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. And there are about 25 to 30 kilograms of nitrogen they can be fixed per year by these bacteria also. And therefore these bacteria they can used as a biofertilizer, that is called as rhizobium biofertilizer. Rhizobium, there is a association of the roots of the leguminous plants and the rhizobium type of bacteria. These rhizobium bacteria they are the gram negative non sporulating aerobic motile rod shaped and nodule forming bacteria. And rhizobium biofertilizer sometimes they can be used or formulated in the form of the powdered form, and they can be applied to the seeds during the cultivation of the plants also. And the due to the application of this biofertilizer to the seeds, or when the treatment given to the seeds, they can increases the yield, then they can increases the disease resistance also. Then another type of the biofertilizer, that is trichoderma biofertilizer. This is the trichoderma, and trichoderma it is the a fungi. They can infect the roots of the many plants also, that is, and they can increase the absorptive area. This is the trichoderma, and this trichoderma it has the conidiophore, then it can produces the many conidia. And this trichoderma they are the common soil borne fungus also, they can grows in the soil, and they have the branched structures. Then they have the antibiotic activity also, and by the growth of this biofertilizer they increases the disease resistance in the plants also. Then they can increase the fertility of the soil, and they can also harmful to the damaging organisms also. And there are this biofertilizer they can be used for the different plant species, that is in rice feeds, that is jawar, tomato, brinjal, soybean, then chickpea, pea, chili, capsicum. There are several plants, and to that several plants this can be used as a biofertilizer also. Then another biofertilizer, that is Azolla biofertilizer. Azolla, it is a pteridophytic plants, and this pteridophyte, it can grows in the aquatic places. Aquatic places means that is in ponds, pools, ditches as well as lakes. In that places it can be also grows. It is a free floating hydrophyte, and this Azolla, it can live in association with, that is Azolla and the blue green algae like the Anabaena. That is the blue green algae Anabaena and Azolla, they can live in symbiotic association. The Azolla, it can give the shelter to the Anabaena. In return, the Anabaena, they can absorb the atmospheric nitrogen, and both they can live together in a symbiotic association, and they can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. The Anabaena also has the heterocyst like that of the nostoc, and they also fix the atmospheric nitrogen. And Azolla, they can provide nutrients, and also protection also gives to the Anabaena, and they both togetherly they can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. There are about the 60 to 40 to 60 kilograms of nitrogen they can be fixed per hectare per year, and they can increases the yield, that is about the 50% yield can be increases. So these are the biofertilizers, that is the Azolla biofertilizer, then nostoc biofertilizer, that is nostoc balls, then trichoderma biofertilizer, and this is the rhizobium biofertilizer, that is the rhizobia. These are the nodule forming bacteria. They can infect the roots of the leguminous plants, and they can form the nodules like that. These are the root nodules. दे कॅन फॉर्म. तुम्ही जर मेथीचं प्लांट, मेथी जर उपडून बघितली तर त्या मेथीवर सुद्धा असे हे मेथीचं प्लांट आहे बघा हे, आणि ह्या मेथीवरती हे रूट नोडल फॉर्म झालेले आहेत, अँड दीज रूट नोडल्स दे आर दी रायझोबियम टाईप ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया.